Long ago, in a vast green jungle shivering under the sunrise, a mighty lion ruled the land. He was strong, feared, and respected by all animals. Nearby lived a small mouse, quick and curious, always exploring. One day, the little mouse accidentally ran across the sleeping lion's paw. The lion awoke with a thunderous roar, furious at being disturbed. He caught the mouse beneath his mighty paw, ready to end its tiny life. "Please, forgive me," begged the trembling mouse. "One day, I may help you." The lion laughed, amused by the thought that such a small creature could ever help him. The lion was in a good mood, so he felt kind and let the mouse go. Without a second thought, the mouse quickly disappeared into the jungle. Time passed quietly, and the jungle remained peaceful, calm, and undisturbed. One day, as the lion wandered alone, he suddenly fell into a hunter's trap. A heavy net dropped from above, and the great lion was caught. He struggled with all his might, but he could not escape. His powerful, desperate roar echoed through the entire jungle. The small mouse heard the sound of distress and recognized the lion's voice. Without hesitation, he ran toward the roar without a second of fear. Seeing the lion trapped, he knew he had to act at once. The mouse began to chew through the thick ropes of the net. Bit by bit, the net weakened as he gnawed tirelessly. The lion watched in disbelief as the tiny creature worked to free him. Alas, the final rope broke, and the net fell apart. The lion was free. He looked down at the mouse, not with amusement, but with deep respect. "I told you I could help," said the mouse, smiling proudly. The lion smiled gently back. The rest of the jungle animals watched in silent wonder. From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. In that moment, strength learned humility, and smallness found its courage. No creature in the jungle was ever ignored again, for they all understood that every heart has value. Even the smallest among us can change fate, and kindness often returns in the most unexpected ways. True power is not found in force, but in compassion and respect for all. This is the timeless lesson of the lion and the mouse. Never, ever underestimate anyone. Kindness makes the strong stronger and the small mighty. If this resonated with you,
Please subscribe for more stories. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon!